Hello, I'm Thomas from HornTools, and today I'm going to introduce you to the latest product from HornTools, the Winch Box. The Winch Box is a portable winch with a pulling force of 1.8 tons. With the help of a pulley, we can increase this to 3.6 tons. So let's take a look at what the Winch Box contains. We have our work gloves for safe handling. We have 2 tree straps, a remote control, 3 bow shackles, and 1 mounting plate. A soft shackle, and of course our power cable with crocodile clips. Now let's take a look at the Winch Box in action. For that we need an anchor point. We'll use this tree here. It's important that the anchor point is always solid and stable. It must never be loose. Now we're going to use our snatch block from HornTools because our Ranger weighs 2.3 tons and the winch is only rated for 1.8 tons. So this way we double the pulling power. I'm now taking the soft shackle, closing it and attaching the snatch block in between. And now let's see if we can pull our wild tracker out with the Winch Box. So now I'll show you how to connect the Winch Box. Don't be surprised, this vehicle is already equipped with a winch, but today we want to show you the Winch Box, so we'll leave our winch inactive. We wrap the tree strap of the Winch Box around the tow hooks. And here we use our bow shackles. We're going to go ahead and attach these bow shackles right here to our Winch Box. We do the same with our second tree strap. We have now mounted our Winch Box on the vehicle. Now it's time to connect the power supply. For this, we take the extension cable and connect it to our Winch Box. And now we take our crocodile clips and connect them to the car battery. When operating a winch, always keep the vehicle running because the winch consumes a lot of power. And the worst thing that can happen is that after our recovery operation, the vehicle won't start anymore. So our Winch Box is now mounted on the vehicle, the battery is connected, and now we switch to free spool. To do this, we turn here until the thread releases, and now we can easily pull out the cable without any problems. We'll go ahead and start the vehicle, and then we'll proceed to pull ourselves out. So as you can see with the pulley, 2.3 tons, forward well taker, no problem at all.